Dreaming of the fast way to change your life and escape a financial hamster wheel? Tired of living in constant needs? Trading might be your way out, and it's more easier than most people think. Hi everyone, my name is Uche, and from working with students, I know that many people think that trading is complicated. All those indicators, system, pattern, and algorithm might seem overwhelming, especially if you have never placed a single trade. The good news is you don't need any of that to get started as fast in trading. All you need is a clean chart, a few dollars in your account, and to watch this video full a way through. You will discover a simple strategy used by professionals and learn where to find free signals with near guarantee profit. And I think it's time to begin. Let's go. Alright guys, today we are trading like true professional market gurus and experienced trader completely indicator free. And I'm making everything we need on the charts, key levels. These are obvious even to beginners, just look at high and low. Look at this market point and you immediately understand. They appear on every chart. Price simply move between this point, show down and up. This is called price action structure and it follows its own logic, and I've marked only the lowest to draw this trend line. Price move along this channel until the structure broke. The trend line was breached, changing the price directions. Now we have a new structure, new pivot point and new logic. And yes, I'm drawing another trend line connecting the highest this time. Another breakout means another structural shift. This is all you need for successful trading, guys. Let's find the right pair to trade. First trade, open it. Here is why I took it. Just draw the trend line. We are in an uptrend structure. Multiply bullish bounce precede this one. We are now inside another bounce. We could predict targets, but that's not crucial now. We are perfectly positioned. Now we're just waiting for the profit. Since we are trading without indicators today, let's discuss pros and cons of different chart styles. We'll figure out what's really needed. Indicator exists for a reason, guys. Many pros criticize them, but in 2025, trading without tools seems strange. First trade closed profitably. We're looking for the next setup while continuing our discussions. Blank charts again, about to outcome much clearer. Here is the recently broken trend line. Here is our current trading channel. Another bounce is forming our trade opportunities. Note this is just a part of a larger uptrend. Perfect condition, guys. Now waiting for expirations. Alright guys, here is the deal with indicators. They simplify analysis. They show up moving average rate and price change. And some algorithms even highlight key levels automatically. That's why beginners love indicators. They make things easier. But easier isn't always better. Meanwhile, our account keeps growing. Let's find our next trade on a different currency pair. Okay guys, time to trade a similar setup. Pay attention, this will help reinforce what we have learned. Clear uptrend here. The structure is obvious even without indicators. Right now, we are seeing a bounce that will likely continue pushing price higher. And I could draw this trend line differently to make it even clearer. Here is the downside of indicators. Free trading, two traders might see completely different patterns on the same charts. It's all about interpretation. That's why trading based slowly on technical analysis, just the charts, can lead to mistake. You might see something that isn't actually there. This is where indicators help. Their signals can guide your analysis. Another profitable trade, time to switch charts and find a new opportunities. Don't rush to skip this video. I understand that many things I explain might sound unclear. That's normal. When I started trading a couple years ago, my brain was exploding from all these strategies, divergences, and all technical analysis. But now you have a choice. Either you go through the same path I did and learn how to trade while burning through your deposit in the earlier stage, or start trading using AI that provides you ready and tested signals and will help you earn, even this is literally your first day in trading. Together, my team and I have developed this unique software and have put into it my experiences multiplied by AI capabilities. This is an application that monitors and analyzes the charts 24/7 and give you signals with 22% accuracy. All you need to do is enter the trade at the right time and make profit. You want to know how it works? Subscribe to my Telegram channel via the link in the descriptions and DM me there, and I will explain you how to use and set up these applications. And most importantly, you will get this software completely free. So I'm waiting for you on Telegram. Follow the link in the descriptions and we continue. Great setup here, guys. Let's keep profiting from this bullish market. Main trend is up, with a secondary accelerating trend in the same directions. I entered expecting continuation and should work out fine. Now let's talk indicator drawbacks. Many pros avoid them because they lag. Every indicator is just visualized math. They use historical price data, so they are always slightly behind the actual price actions. For many professionals, speed is everything. That's why they prefer raw price charts. As you can see, guys, this method absolutely works, and I'm up over 600 already. By the way, you can find more indicators, free trading methods in the Telegram channel. There you will get free signals, and I personally trade plus ton of beginners friendly content, link in the descriptions. Now I'm waiting for another easy profit on this bullish market. While we have got time, let me give you newbie some advice. I made this video to show that trading without indicator is possible, but don't limit yourself to just one approach. I recommend building strategy that combine both indicators and poor price actions analysis. This creates a complete system where you leverage the strength of all methods for better trading decisions. Always believe in using every available tools. That's why indicators belong in every trader's toolkit. Perfect. Time for what might be our final trade. Let's check a new chart. Alright guys, here our setup. I'm entering immediately. This trend is so obvious, only the blind could miss it. We are the perfect point for another upward swing in this saw pattern. Right place, right time, just waiting for profit now. Really glad I showed you these sessions. Most beginners don't realize trading exists beyond indicators, but combining method is always the best solutions. In my videos, I always mix indicator signals with technical analysis. Off camera, I do exactly the same, and you should too. Everything's working perfectly. Just close our final trade profitable, guys. Time to rise up today's sessions. Whether to trade pure price action or use a full set of indicators, that is everyone's personal choice. And I've shown you the simplest method to make your profit when starting out. But there is so much more exciting materials ahead. If you want to grow alongside a pro trader, I'm always available in my Telegram channel. We can trade together, guys. You'll always find there tons of valuable information to improve your results. Many more videos are coming, but for now, hit the like button and leave the comment below this one. Let me know what you would like to see in the future content. I really appreciate your feedback. Of course, subscribe to the channel so you don't miss anything. See you very soon. Happy trading and take care of yourself.